Are you tired of the same old routine, juggling classes, work, and trying to make ends meet? What if I told you there's a way to earn $550 a day, all while building skills that could transform your future? In this video, we're diving into the world of side hustles that offer not just financial rewards, but also the freedom to work on your terms. Imagine tapping into opportunities that let you express your creativity, connect with global communities, and even build your own brand. Whether you're a student looking to boost your income or someone seeking a new adventure, these side hustles could be your ticket to financial independence. But here's the real question: what do you value more, flexibility, creativity, or the thrill of entrepreneurship? As we explore these lucrative side hustles, think about which path aligns with your passions and goals. Stay tuned as we uncover the best side hustles to make $550 a day and discover how you can start your journey today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights and inspiration. Let's get started. Chapter 1: Video Editing as a Side Hustle. Ever feel like you're stuck in the never-ending cycle of lectures, assignments, and ramen noodles? You're not alone. As a student, finding a way to boost your income without sacrificing your studies can feel like searching for a unicorn. But what if I told you there's a side hustle that not only fits into your hectic schedule, but also has the potential to earn you $550 a day? Enter the world of video editing. With the explosion of social media platforms like TikTok and YouTube, video content is more popular than ever. And guess what? This surge in video consumption has created a massive demand for skilled video editors. Even top content creators, who rake in thousands every month, often need help to keep up with their editing needs. This is where you come in. Learning the basics of video editing can be your golden ticket to financial freedom. By focusing on editing TikToks and YouTube shorts, you can tap into a high-demand skill set that allows you to earn money online while still attending classes. Imagine working from the comfort of your dorm room, crafting your schedule, and still having time for that late-night study session. The beauty of video editing as a side hustle is its flexibility. You can work remotely, making it perfect for students who need to juggle multiple responsibilities. Plus, the skills you acquire are not just for now, they're an investment in your future, enhancing your resume and opening doors to countless opportunities. So, why not dive into this lucrative side hustle and transform your financial landscape? With video editing, you're not just making money, you're building a skill that can propel you into a successful career. It's time to seize this opportunity and make your student life a little less stressful and a lot more rewarding. Chapter 2: Discord Moderation. After diving into the world of video editing, let's explore another side hustle that fits perfectly into a student's life: Discord moderation. As you navigate the chaos of student life, finding a side gig that offers flexibility and decent pay can feel like striking gold. Discord, a platform buzzing with vibrant communities, presents a golden opportunity for those willing to step into the role of a moderator. Being a Discord moderator is all about managing online communities, keeping them spam-free, and ensuring a positive environment. The beauty of this role is its simplicity. No technical expertise required. With strong communication skills and a knack for community engagement, you can earn money online while still focusing on your studies. The pay for managing a single server can range from $500 to $2,000 per month, depending on your skills and the server's needs. This side hustle is especially appealing for students because it offers remote work opportunities. You can moderate from your dorm room, the library, or even a coffee shop. The geographical independence allows you to balance your academic responsibilities while building a high-demand skill set. And if you're ambitious, you could expand into a Discord management agency, hiring other moderators and charging clients a retainer fee. This path is not just about earning extra cash, it's about gaining experience in community management, a skill that's increasingly valuable in today's digital world. So why not take the plunge and explore Discord moderation as a side hustle? It could be the perfect way to boost your income and enhance your resume, all while maintaining the flexibility you need as a student. Chapter 3: Remote Sales. Continuing from where we left off, let's explore the exciting world of remote sales. As a student, you're already juggling classes, projects, and maybe even a part-time job. But what if you could add a side hustle that allows you to earn money online while honing high-demand skills? Remote sales might just be your answer. In the realm of remote sales, you're not tied to a desk or a specific location. This flexibility means you can work from your dorm room, a cozy cafe, or even while traveling. The global work opportunities are vast, allowing you to connect with businesses around the world that are eager for talented sales representatives. Your role is to bridge the gap between these companies and their potential clients, earning commissions along the way. The beauty of remote sales lies in its simplicity and scalability. You don't need a fancy office or a huge team to get started. All you need is a knack for communication, a bit of confidence, and the willingness to learn. As you gain experience, your ability to close deals and build relationships will grow, opening doors to even more lucrative opportunities. This side hustle is not just about making money, it's about developing skills that are in high demand across industries. You'll learn negotiation, communication, and strategic thinking, all valuable assets in today's job market. Plus, the entrepreneurial growth potential is immense. As you succeed, you might even consider expanding your reach, perhaps by mentoring others or exploring new markets. Remote sales offer a unique blend of independence and opportunity. It's a chance to earn a substantial income while building a skill set that can propel your career forward. So why not dive into this dynamic field and see where it takes you? Chapter 4: Building an Online Boutique Agency. Continuing from our exploration of remote sales, let's delve into the exciting potential of building an online boutique marketing agency. As a student, you might be juggling classes, social commitments, and perhaps even a part-time job. But what if you could create a scalable business that not only earns you money online, but also equips you with high-demand skills? Starting a boutique marketing agency is like assembling a puzzle where each piece represents a new opportunity. You begin by identifying a niche that resonates with your interests and expertise. Perhaps it's social media management for eco-friendly brands or digital marketing for tech startups. The beauty of this venture lies in its flexibility and the global work opportunities it offers. You can collaborate with talented professionals from around the world, leveraging their skills to deliver top-notch services while maintaining healthy profit margins. The journey of building your agency involves 3 key stages: setting up your operations, developing a cohesive team, and scaling your business. Initially, you might start small, managing a few clients and working with a handful of contractors. But as you gain experience and confidence, you can expand your services, take on more clients, and grow your team. This scalability is what makes a boutique agency so appealing. It's a business model that can evolve with you, offering both financial rewards and personal growth. Running a boutique marketing agency isn't just about making money, it's about developing leadership skills, learning project management, and understanding client relations. These are high-demand skills that will serve you well in any career path. Plus, the entrepreneurial experience you'll gain is invaluable, setting you apart in the competitive job market. So why not take the leap and explore the potential of this dynamic side hustle? It's a chance to earn a substantial income while building a business that reflects your passions and strengths. Chapter 5: YouTube Channel Creation. Continuing from our previous discussions on side hustles, let's dive into the final chapter: creating a YouTube channel. This isn't just a way to earn money online. It's a journey of creative expression and brand building that can lead to passive income and personal growth. Starting a YouTube channel is an adventure in itself. It begins with finding your niche, something you're passionate about and can talk about endlessly. Whether it's tech reviews, lifestyle vlogs, or educational content, your channel should reflect your unique voice. This is where you get to add your personal touch, making your content relatable and engaging. Once you've established your channel's identity, the focus shifts to audience engagement. This is about creating content that resonates with viewers, encouraging interaction, and building a community. It's a dynamic process, requiring you to adapt and evolve based on feedback and trends. The goal is to connect with your audience on a deeper level, turning casual viewers into loyal subscribers. Monetization is the next step, and while it might take time to see financial rewards, a solid strategy can pay off in the long run. This could include ad revenue, sponsorships, or even merchandise sales. The key is to remain consistent and patient, delivering value to your audience while exploring various income streams. The benefits of building a YouTube channel are immense. It offers a platform for creative expression, allowing you to showcase your talents and ideas to a global audience. Additionally, it provides the potential for passive income, enabling you to earn even when you're not actively creating content. Perhaps most importantly, it serves as a powerful tool for brand building, helping you establish a presence in your chosen field. As you embark on this journey, remember that success on YouTube doesn't happen overnight. It requires dedication, creativity, and a willingness to learn from both successes and setbacks. But with perseverance, your channel can become a significant source of income and personal fulfillment. As we wrap up this journey through the best side hustles to make $550 a day, let's take a moment to reflect on the incredible opportunities we've explored. From editing videos and moderating online communities to diving into remote sales, building boutique agencies, and creating your own YouTube channel, each path offers unique possibilities to earn money online while developing high-demand skills. Now, here's the real question. Which of these side hustles speaks to your passions and aligns with your goals? Are you ready to embrace the flexibility of remote work, the thrill of entrepreneurship, or the creative freedom of content creation? Each choice is a step toward financial independence and personal growth. Remember, the journey won't always be easy, but the rewards can be life-changing. Whether you're a student balancing studies or someone seeking a new challenge, these side hustles offer a chance to transform your future. So, what's your next move? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights and inspiration. Share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear which side hustle you're excited to explore. Until next time, keep dreaming big and hustling smart.